It is quite a common occurrence among bands and artists that the songs that they recorded at the start of their career are usually some of the fan favourites. This is all well and good, but what about when the band has been playing that same song for 10 years and they're kind of getting bored of it? What do? Well, the first thing to remember is it doesn't really matter what you think of your own songs. If you have one song that your fans absolutely love, but you don't really like it, play it, because the fans are the ones who are going to make your music career. And if you're just playing songs to them that they're a bit iffy about, as opposed to the one that they really like, then you're going to kind of lose out on fans. That being said, if there is a massive gap between the songs that fans like and the fans don't like, there's probably either an issue with your songwriting or the fickle fans, but that's kind of a subjective thing per band anyway. But if you look at really, really big bands, it's usually the songs that they wrote at the start of their career that are the really big ones. Look at bands like Arctic Monkeys, Muse, Kings of Leon, all your really big bands. People want to hear their old songs, and the band can get quite bored with that. So if you ever find yourself in this situation where you have one song that you've been playing for fucking years and your fans love it, but you're getting bored of playing the same riff, there are two things you can do. Well, no, three things you can do. One, you can drop the song and your fans will lose out and you'll lose out on fans. Two, you can just suck it up and play it and the fans will still love you for it. Or, number three, you can fuck with the song a little bit. You can take out sections, add stuff in, just make it exciting for you to play while still keeping the bits in that the fans love. And with that, everyone wins. So it's very important to bear in mind that it's sort of more important what your fans think of your music than what you think of your music, which is a very weird way of looking at it, I grant you, but your fans are the ones who are going to make your career. If anyone's going to make your career, it's not going to be you, it's your fans. You need fans to have a career, that's never been disputed. So, if there is a fan favourite, play it all the time. Please, don't miss out on fans because you're bored of playing the same riff over and over again for 10 years.